Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of MikeMbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another software for you. This one is solution driven and it's called LinkLeap AI from Anjani Kumar, my friend. And of course, in a nutshell, is the application that is going to, the software application actually that is going to help you create enhanced QR codes which you can sell to your online contacts, offline or online businesses, securing recurring revenue, and you can start doing this starting from today. Okay, so that means that you can use this application to generate QR codes for restaurants, for digital marketers, for anything, any purpose whatsoever, so that you do away with this idea of having to send links and all that. So with QR codes, once it's scanned, definitely the person will be introduced to whatever is behind the QR code, and that's automatically gives you access to selling such capability to restaurants and to so many other things which we are going to go through in the sales page. At any point you decide to buy such a product, I recommend you use that first link below in my description area, and of course do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel and use the bell icon for notifications. Now let me show you the amazing software area where you are going to find the intriguing aspect of this application, which is going to definitely, I believe, help you create an online business for yourself, where you give out these services of QR codes to every kind of business or every kind of need on any niche whatsoever out there. So this is the very dashboard where you are going to have access to, and of course show you the mega bonuses that I have lined up for you for this product, which are going to definitely make your day. Definitely, I can tell you that. Okay, a lot of them actually. Now let us see what the sales page says. And this product, by the way, is going live on the 13th of October 2023, which happens to be today at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. Okay, so now let's see what Anjani Kumar said this product is about. This is talking about the sales page where we are now. When you click that first link below in my description area, it will definitely take you to this sales page where you can grab a copy using this link or any of the other similar links scattered all over this page. Anjani Kumar says that this product is the world first app that turns digital assets into real and functional income streams. And of course, you can start a lucrative business journey with LinkLeap AI, and with this you can resell AI enhanced QR code solutions to online and offline business, securing recurring revenue for yourself, and you can start your thriving services business exactly today within the 24 hours when this product goes live. So it is a very well thought product in my assessment, and here are some of the amazing benefits you have here. AI based QR code, that is one of the things it does, and you can resell cutting edge QR code solutions powered by AI to business seeking innovative marketing tools. And you also have what is called a lead form. With this, you can offer lead generation services by creating custom QR codes linked to lead forms, providing clients with valuable customer data. And of course, you have access to do your bio link as well. Instead of writing a lot of things, you can convert it into this QR code and help businesses enhance their online presence by offering branded bio links, and of course showcasing their portfolios and boosting engagement online. And you have also restaurant menu. With this, you can provide restaurants with comprehensive digital menu solution, including categories, serving hours, ingredients, and allergen information. Okay, you have also the VCAD Plus possibility, which enable professionals to create impressive digital business cards, portfolios, and track interactions with clients with the synchronized analytics, and then you have also the dynamic business profile, which this application offers 20 plus ready to use templates for a dynamic online presence that can go live with just a few clicks. And you have URL QR codes, which also generate and manage multiple QR codes for clients to drive traffic to their websites and campaigns. You have folder and user invite. Also organize clients QR code campaigns efficiently with folder organization and grant access to sub-users as well. you have custom demand, custom domain, you have multilingual support, you have advanced gradients, outline shapes, and you have over 1400 plus fonts to choose from. And these provide a wide range of fonts options in multiple languages for clients to choose from. QR code customization. Okay, so those are some of the bird's eye view benefits of this very amazing LinkLeap AI creator. Of course, you can imagine what that is going to do for you. Now, this is all the things we are talking about that they are going to do for you: the restaurant menu, product catalog QR codes, Google review QR codes, resume QR codes, and they have also the event QR codes, you have VCAT QR codes, you have email QR codes, even SMS QR codes, and call QR codes, and Wi-Fi QR codes. So everything you need can be converted into QR code, so that it makes it easy for you. Imagine having QR code on your business front, and people go around who are not interested in coming. Assuming you have offline business and online business, they can only take a picture and scan that thing, and they are into your business online. Okay, so it makes a lot of sense to me. Now, I will leave the rest of the reading of this sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you can actually do so yourself. Okay, so now let's see if we can see some of the testimonials from all the people who have been able to use this product as beta testers, and you can exactly see what Jim Marciello said, a digital marketing specialist, about this. You can listen to that yourself, and you see what Kishon Farsi said and Neha Aurora said. Okay, so those are some of the testimonials, and you have 3 basic steps to get this product working for you, which are normally basic. You log into the product when you purchase it, and then step 2 will be you choose your desired QR code generator, and then of course step 3 will be you generate, and here LinkLeap AI will instantly generate stunning QR codes for you in less than 60 seconds, and those are what you have as the steps you need to get this work for you. Okay, now you have the demo video which you can watch at your convenience, and I will put the link to this demo video in my description, and of course that will help you determine how it works, and I think it's part of the training video that you are going to have with this one. So I will leave the decision to get such an amazing product to become and to build an agency business that is going to help you people online or offline have access to QR codes that they can buy from you, or you can set up for them. Okay, and you can charge them, which is a recurring payment, you know, which means every month you have something that they pay you to maintain the services you're maintaining for them. So that's a very good one, a powerful one. Imagine if you have a business that you are servicing with these QR codes, and that business relationship lasts for 10, 15, 20 years from now. That means you'll be making recurring income all these years on monthly basis. So that's one of the advantages of this one. If it eventually works exactly as it says it's going to work, which I believe it's going to do, but then that will be for us to try and see if it works as exactly as I know. But when it comes from Anjani Kumar, my friend, I know there is a value behind whatever thing he creates. So I will leave that decision to you. And then now let's see the amazing members area of this one. I don't unfortunately have the review access directly, but I was given the very demo video, which I'm going to play for you right now. Before we do that, this is what you are going to find in the dashboard area when you buy this product: archived, contacts, leads form, responses, and here you have agency, reseller, and the rest of them, and of course QR codes and all of them. So I will play the video right now so that you see how it works when it is in action, and after that I take you to the pricing, and of course show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which are definitely going to blow your mind. So stick with me. Okay, now let us see the video. Come back to my channel. Now let's see the very pricing for this amazing product, LinkLeap AI, and you will see how cheap the front end exactly is. This is $15 for the front end, which gives you access to this software itself. And then you have also the OTO number 1, which is the upgrade number 1. I call it the unlimited edition of this very LinkLeap AI, and it's sold for $67. I have the OTO number 2, which is the done for you, and this one goes for $197. Everything is basically done for you. And you have also the OTO number 3, upgrade number 3 for $47, sorry. And you have OTO number 4, which is the upgrade number 4 for $97. You have the upgrade number 5. I can't remember what exactly this upgrade is, but it goes for $167. I guess it's going to be either the Pro version or the other ones, because it's not detailed here. And you have also the OTO number 6, which is $97, the OTO number 7, $47, and here the biggest one is OTO number 8, which I believe is the white level of this product. That means you can sell this product, rebrand it, rename it, and do anything you want with it as if it's your own. So basically with white label, it is your product, and you can re-engineer it, add more values, and sell it as if it's your own, and launch it. And you know, it's on the cloud there, it doesn't perish, so you could be using that to create income for the rest of your life. So that's about what you have as the pricing. And now let me show you the mega bonuses that I have for you. There are 10 of them, amazing ebooks, and I mean a lot of other things. You can training courses that you can use to actually start online. And if you are finding any department of your online business, if God, definitely you'll find something here that's going to help you. Number 1 is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, and you have number 2 as the list building expert. Very extremely important, because without the list you really can't make money on demand. And of course you have the number 3 at the internet marketing fast start, which is how to jumpstart your internet marketing business, and you learn the core concepts with this very bonus. Now you have affiliate marketing secrets, which is exactly affiliate marketing. If affiliate marketing is what you desire, like I am doing myself, you can learn trade secrets in affiliate marketing and start earning money without lifting a finger. That's number 4. 30 Days to Bigger Email List ebook is number 5. You have number 6, and the chatbot marketing mastery, very important. You have also the building the perfect sales funnel. Without sales funnel, it will be very difficult to actually automate any business online, so that you are making money when you are sleeping. Now you have also the number 8, the blogging for profit, and you have also the email list building blueprint, and of course the last but not the least, copywriting crackdown, which will help you with your AI engine prompts and other things, and how to actually create a business yourself, writing articles and copywriting for people. Okay, now that's about what you have as my bonuses, and definitely we are going to come gradually to the end of this amazing product review for LinkLeap AI from Mbadiwe, which is going live today, the 13th of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and expect me in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here, it's goodbye.